Homeowners in Washington, D.C., understand the importance of maintaining and upgrading their properties to maximize value. One of the most effective ways to increase a home's worth is through window replacement. Whether you're looking to sell soon or simply want to invest in long-term value, upgrading your windows offers both immediate and lasting benefits. Why window replacement is a smart investment. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, high-performance models can significantly enhance your property's market value. Potential buyers in DC are looking for energy efficiency, curb appeal, and durability, all of which new windows can provide. According to industry reports, homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of their investment in window replacements when selling their homes. This makes it one of the most cost-effective home improvements with a high return on investment. Key ways window replacement adds value: improves energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows reduce heating and cooling costs by preventing drafts and better insulating your home. Washington, D.C. experiences both hot summers and chilly winters, making efficient windows essential. Features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas insulation help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills, an attractive feature for buyers looking to save money on utilities. Enhances curb appeal. First impressions matter, and new windows can dramatically enhance your home's exterior aesthetics. Whether you opt for classic double-hung windows, stylish bay windows, or modern casement windows, an updated look increases desirability. In a competitive DC real estate market, homes with upgraded exteriors tend to sell faster and for higher prices. Increases natural light and interior aesthetics. Bright, well-lit homes feel more spacious and inviting. New windows allow more natural light to enter, creating a warm and open atmosphere that appeals to buyers. Modern designs also offer better sound insulation, reducing outside noise from busy city streets, which is a major selling point in DC. Enhances home security. The older windows can be easy targets for break-ins due to outdated locks and fragile glass. Modern windows come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, increasing your home's security. Buyers in Washington, D.C. value properties with strong security features, making window upgrades a key selling point. Reduces maintenance costs. Many older windows require frequent repairs, painting, and sealing to maintain their appearance and functionality. New materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite are low maintenance and highly durable, eliminating the need for regular upkeep. Buyers appreciate homes that require minimal maintenance, making your property more attractive in the long run. Complies with DC building codes and energy regulation. Washington, D.C. has strict building codes and energy efficiency regulations that homes must meet. Replacing outdated windows with new, compliant models ensures that your home aligns with local energy-saving standards. This not only protects you from potential fines but also makes your home more marketable to eco-conscious buyers. Choosing the right windows for maximum ROI. To get the most value from window replacement, homeowners should choose windows that match their home's architectural style while offering modern benefits. Popular window choices in DC include double-hung windows, traditional and versatile, perfect for most home styles. Casement windows, great for ventilation and a sleek, contemporary look. Bay and bow windows, adds charm and extra interior space. Energy-efficient windows, features like low-E glass and insulated frames help lower energy costs. Conclusion: a smart investment for any DC homeowner. Window replacement is a smart, high-return investment that boosts property value, improves energy efficiency, and enhances home security. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or just want to enjoy a more comfortable and beautiful space, upgrading your windows is a decision that pays off. If you're considering window replacement in Washington, D.C., consult with a professional window installation company to explore the best options for your home. Investing in high-quality windows today will ensure a more attractive, efficient, and valuable property in the future.